ऑक्शन का दूसरा दिन काफी एक्शन पैक रहा है, जिसमें हमारी हाईलाइट रही है अनिल मोहन, आवर मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव प्लेयर दिस ऑक्शन। हमने देखा कि पहले यूपी योद्धा ने स्टार्ट की थी बिड, वो जितना जा सकते थे उतना गए। उसके बाद जो वॉर थी, बिडिंग वॉर, वो हमारे और जयपुर पिंक पैंथर के बीच में थी। बट राइट नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज, हर कोई पूछ रहा है कि अनिल मोहन है कौन, तो क्या है उनमें इतना स्पेशल कि सारी टीम्स चाहती थी कि वो उनकी टीम का हिस्सा हो, बट इवेंचुअली हमारी टीम का हिस्सा बने।
I think all the teams have seen him. बहुत सारे teams उनके पीछे जाना था. Obviously, a lot of people didn't have the money, and that's why we actually kept that money for the back end. Actually, getting Sandeep before that was very, very critical. And when we got him, and last year he played with Patna. Unfortunately, Sandeep got injured last season, but he was part of the top. He even was ahead of Sudhakar, ahead of the others for Patna Pirates. तो उसके बाद we kept just enough money to go after him. ये लड़का जो है, he played for actually Jaipur Pink Panthers in the Yuva All Stars. We had actually signed him before that, attempted to sign him in the NYP category, लेकिन उनका age actually overage था, and both Jaipur and us actually wanted to utilize him in Yuva All Stars. Both of us fought for him there. They got him there, we got him here in PKL. But look, we've always had a big history with Jaipur. Arjun Deshwal, I think back in 2021, when we had 95 lakhs, they said 96 and took Arjun Deshwal from U Mumbai. This was very weirdly similar because this is also a left raider. This is also one that every team was looking at as well. And look, we're very excited. He's a young boy. We are very excited because we've seen him in the Nationals. We've seen him play Yuva All Stars. He's the guy who actually won the championship for Jaipur, the Jaipur Cubs in Yuva All Stars. So look, he's a fabulous raider. I think he'll complement the others really well now. Ajit, Zafar. We've got so many others. Rohit from a right side. You've got Anil now from the left side. You've got Satish Kannan from the right side. We have Ajit from the left side. So, I think the way these are going to complement each other, and Sandeep and him right and left, yeah, very happy. And Abhimanyu getting him as well. So, yeah.
He was always part of our plan, wasn't he?
He was always part of our plan, and that's why we actually calculated how much we could spend on Sandeep. We actually thought other teams would go for Sandeep. Thankfully, Delhi didn't know what our calculation was. So Delhi, if they had gone for 3 lakhs more, we wouldn't have got Sandeep. So Sandeep fell just in our budget to still have more money than Jaipur. So it was a lot of mathematics, a lot of calculator work going on. But look, we're glad. Look, we all know we overpaid for a D category raider in some sense, right? But such is auction dynamics. Why do you think Jaipur went all the way? He's a great left raider. Auction dynamics is such that they had to go. And after that, Jaipur still went for 50 for another left raider. So, when you're waiting for someone, we're glad. We're just glad it worked out for us.
And also, Abhimanyu Raghuvanshi, you mentioned his name over there. He played for us, Yuva Mumbai के लिए खेले थे. उनके stats के बारे में मैं already बात कर चुकी हूँ. उनका टीम में आना है, and साथ ही साथ रवि भाटी का भी.
See, दोनों जो है Abhimanyu Raghuvanshi और Anil, वो दो top raiders था इसमें Yuva All Stars में. Ravi Bhati is a fabulous right corner, and he's very, very talented. So I think Rinku का backup जो है वो अभी मिल गया. We're very sorted on the defense. सुनील से मैंने बात की और सुनील तो बहुत खुश है, रोहित तो बहुत खुश है. हमारी टीम जो भी है, I think the coaches are very happy. So look, I think बहुत सारे लोग जो बाहर हैं, जो बैठे हैं, जो कबड्डी फॉलो नहीं करते हैं हर रोज, उसको थोड़ा शौक है क्योंकि ये कौन है वो कौन है, वैसे मतलब वो एक फीलिंग आएगा. बट लुक, वे हैप्पी. वी डोंट लिसन टू सम ऑफ द वॉइसेस. लास्ट ईयर सब लोग बोल रहे थे कि ये टीम कौन है. प्ले ऑफ तक तो हम आए थे, हमने पटना को हरा दिया 2 बार लीग स्टेज में. सो लुक, आई थिंक वे वेरी हैप्पी. सुनील के जो विशेस है, सुनील के जो इच्छा है, उसके पीछे भी हमने गए. सो या, आई थिंक वे आर वेरी हैप्पी विद वेयर वी एंडेड आफ्टर डे 2, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई थिंक दिस प्लान वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
बड़े नाम जरूर नहीं है, लेकिन प्रॉमिसिंग नाम है.
बड़े नाम को हम बनना है.
हम बनाएंगे बड़े नाम. Thank you so much for talking to us, and
time to get back to the auction. Yeah, see you guys.